Hey guys, it's me Olivia and together we're Liv. Today we're playing Draw It. So yeah, I think I know what this is. Yep, I got it.
What was the word?
I'm not telling you. You've got to guess on your own.
I can't even see the screen.
It's waterfall. She's typing it in. And it'll pop up right here. Ruby_unicorn 0900. Guess the word, when she really didn't.
Yeah, actually say that.
No, it does say that when you do it. It might be a little bit glitchy because I haven't used screen recorder in ages.
I hear the stones
We'll be doing another video later as well, so comment down below ideas of what we can do next. Right here, you can see I have 490 points though. Yay me. Oh, I think I know what
I
this is.
guessed it.
And I did.
It's an arrow.
Yeah. Please let me have a go. I want to do it so bad. Someone guessed poo. What the heck? Doesn't look anything like poo. Is it your sister? Her name's called Gracie. Gracie Boots too. Yeah. No offense if you're watching this. Comment down below what we should play after. I think I've already said that, but oh well. I don't know what to play after this. Please. Please, please, please. Oh, not there. It's Ruby. Hurry up, draw. Oh. What the heck is that? Oh, I know. I think. We know it's 4 letters. What is that? What the heck? What the heck is that? They look like pants. What is that? Comment down below if you know what this is. I have no idea. Yeah, I'm gonna vote kick you.
Don't you dare. I'll do another. Guessed it.
How did they guess that? What the heck is that? That's not a cake. It looks like a bus.
Oh wait, I forgot. There's a bell on there, so I put like.
Oh my god. Gracie Boots girl. We don't say numbers. Numbers are gone in our world. In our YouTube channel. Grass? Is this broccoli? Ew! What the hell is that?
I checked that.
It looks like a man poop. It looks like a man's thingy. Oh my god, she is disgusting. What the heck is that? I'm confused. What? How are people guessing that? What? You think like that many letters is gonna be bug? I said broccoli, but then I didn't actually write it. Oh my god, I'm so dumb.
I hear you doing a bit of Eloise.
Oh, I think. What is that? Oh, I guessed it. Never mind. Only one person didn't guess it. Good job, Louise. Hopefully it's me now. Oh, why did you have purple skin? That's creepy. No offense. I'm weird, okay? A new intro is going to be on this video, and a new outro is going to be on this video, so stay tuned for the outro. You've probably already seen the intro. So, yeah. Well, you might not see it on this video. It might be on the next video. Is it my dad's legs? I'm joking. What's Groot? What the heck is that? Is it toothpaste? What? Did you go to art class? No, I did. I'll just do loads of blocks. Hopefully. Oh, why isn't it me? This is so sad. Sorry about that. I have 500 points. Elephant, it's grey. Oh, I know, I think. I think I spelled that wrong. Hello? I'm gonna vote Kit. No. I don't know.
That's a 3-letter word.
What is that? You guessed it. What is it? Is it bacon?
No, do you want to know what it is?
Yeah.
Egg.
Oh. Well, we're cheating, but who cares, you know. Sir.
How was that an egg, though?
These people are messed up. They can't draw, okay? No offense. But yeah. That green thing's on the screen. Oh, yay. Okay. I almost said it out loud then. This is a pretty easy word. Hello? I'm thinking of like an eating one of what I'm drawing. I'm just gonna delete it and make a huge one. If you hear my parents in the background, then yeah. Hello? It won't let me draw. I can't draw. No! I'm not okay. I'm not okay. Oh. I wasn't very good at that. It's hard to draw on laptops. Oh, you have to. Oh. I'm so weird. Ignore me, people. Like our teacher said. That's what it did to me. It wouldn't let me draw.
Why can't I draw?
You have to use a different colour sometimes.
Oh, I know.
Oh. It looks like an orange. Oh, the letters. Never mind. It looks like a bow. Oh. I get it. I got it. I mean, that looks like a legit bow. Could have done a lollipop. Or like an ice cream. That isn't candy. Never mind. Don't listen to me. Doing the same as you. You got the two same in a row. It's a bit weird. It's easier drawing on iPad or phone. Come on. Oh no, this girl's a trickster right here. What the heck? I'm gonna get vote kicker, sorry. Oh. I guessed it. Someone spelled angel wrong. I know it doesn't say angel. Angle. Angel. It does say angel. I'm joking again. Bagel. Red, red, red. Don't listen to Ruby. I'm giving you a warning. Okay. We're gonna end the video in a few minutes. Go to our profile if you like our shirts. You can't really see them right now, but half of it's pink, half of it's checkered. It represents the pink side Ruby, and then the other side, the checkered side, me. So if you want to have a cute shirt, you can go and buy that now for only 5 Robux. I don't. Oh, no, I don't. Yeah. How's that bridge? Oh, I read that wrong. It looks like a kawaii face. Kind of.
So we're gonna end this video here. So yeah.
We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did,
Subscribe, hit the notification bell, share this video, and click on the next bell. And bye!
yeah, bye.